Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how I gather my quantities for my quotations using digital takeoff software. I'll be using Bluebeam Review to prepare this quantity takeoff. I use a combination of digital takeoff software with Estimator software to gather my quantities and to prepare my estimates. Then I take the quantities and input them into my estimating program. The estimating program that I use is called Craftsman Costbook. Craftsman Costbook is an estimating software combined with the construction costbook. Well, my name is Lewis Henry from my Master's Construction, and today I'll be sharing with you how to do a quantity takeoff for the framing, drywall, and acoustic ceiling. Sometimes I'll even start with the reflective ceiling plans just because it's real easy to get the dimensions and all the numbers. So I'm only gonna have a couple sections left to price after I'm done this. I'll have a good portion done. So reflected ceiling, we got 2x4 ceiling tiles. It looks like I got a tool already set up for that. And now instead of clicking on every corner, I can just click, drag to the next spot, release. This one I gotta click on every corner because it's a little awkward shape. So just go in, click on all of those. I could have double clicked right here. Let's go back. Okay, there you see, I double clicked and it just brought that line over to the next side. Go in here. Okay. So as we're marking this up, we're trying to be as precise as possible. So try to click on the corners to exactly where they're going. Don't be like just clicking anywhere, like in the middle of them. We want precise measurements. So these measurements are going to be used to transfer over to our estimating software. And so it's going to go through, finish up this ceiling estimate. I got most of the 4x2 sections priced out. Couple more sections left to do. But earlier on, I was looking at that wood area up top. I was looking at that ceiling area up top. It looks like some hatch type of wood or some type of special ceiling over there. I don't usually do specialty ceiling, so I probably won't be pricing that section. I'm gonna price the standard stuff that I price, which is the ACT ceiling and drywall ceiling. I got all ACT ceiling marked on. As you can see, we got a couple of spaces left. So one more here for the ACT. Right here in the middle, the drawing. Go. Click on the perimeter. This works out perfect for me when I'm doing my pricing, because when I transfer these numbers over to my estimating software, all it's gonna need is the square footage. So I got this section on my estimating software set up as a line item, an assembly item. We'll finish this off, go back to my tools, click on drywall ceiling. We got drywall ceilings here. So there's a wall here, we go around it. Don't have to, it's not gonna be a big area, but just so that keep your estimate, your takeoff looking nice. Just click on these. See, I offset that one by a little bit. It's not gonna give you that major of a difference in the calculation. That little touch there. So let's keep going. And it's a perfect square or square with no edges. You can just drag, release. Just gives you those measurements. And here goes some more drywall ceiling. So we need to know the space in between the ceiling and the actual deck height, or the joist height, or whatever we're connected to, so that we can get our hanger wires connected to the above structure hanging down. We need to know that space so we can calculate the amount of wire needed to get this job done. I got my ceiling measured up. That was pretty quick. Everything's just organized, detailed in here. There's no need for paper. Even though I still use paper. I guess there's always a need for paper and marking things up. So this was a quick video to show you how I prepare my estimates using a digitizer. You can use the information and knowledge in this video to help you prepare your own estimates. As you can see, I went through the estimate pretty quickly. I definitely recommend using a digital takeoff software, estimating software, and a construction cost book. I use Bluebeam Review with Craftsman Cost Book. That's all I need. Craftsman Cost Book is an estimating software and a construction cost book in one. Using a combination of these things will improve the accuracy on your estimates and will save you a ton of time. If you have any questions, tips, or ideas, then please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on construction estimating and running a successful construction business. Thanks for watching.